Every network is made up of different components working together. But what exactly do these components do? In today's video, I will break down these components in simplest way possible. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Linda and I teach cybersecurity from a SOC analyst perspective. If cybersecurity interests you, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you get a notification when I drop a video. With that being said, let's get started. Let's start with a switch. So you will ask, what is a switch? A switch is a network component that connects multiple devices to a network and forwards data to an intended device. A switch uses MAC address to forward data to an intended device, not to all devices connected to it. A switch enables devices connected to it to communicate efficiently in a network. Router. Let's talk about router as another network component. Now, what is a router? A router connects different networks together. So, for instance, a router connects your network to the internet. A router uses an IP address to determine the best path to route data. So, typically, a router directs traffic between your network and the internet. A network interface card. A network interface card is another network component. It allows devices to connect to the network. A network interface card provides MAC address. It can be wired or wireless. Without a network interface card, devices cannot connect to network. Client. Client as a network component is a device that requests for services or resources from a network. So typically, a client is a computer device that requests for services, uses the services, and shares the services. So a client can also send or receive requests from the server. So generally, a client is also a network user. A typical example of what clients are: computer, laptop, and desktop. Transmission media. A transmission media as a network component is the path or channel through which data travels. It carries data from one device to another. A transmission media could be wired or wireless. Access points. An access point allows devices to connect to a wireless network without the use of cable. It connects wireless device to a wired network, and it connects devices through Wi-Fi. Shared data. A shared data as a network component is a data that is shared between clients. It is a data or resources that can be accessed by multiple users. A shared data can enable collaboration. And a typical example of shared data are files, printers, and even database. Local operating system as a network component. A local operating system controls how a computer functions individually, and it manages the basic operation of a single device. An example of a local operating system are, we have the Windows, we have the Linux, and Mac OS. Network operating system. A network operating system manages and controls the network resources and users. It controls the entire network environment. A network operating system handles user access, controls security, and also manages shared resources. Protocol as a network component. A protocol is a set of rules that defines how data are transmitted. Protocols ensures that devices understand each other perfectly. Examples of protocols are HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, ICMP, TCP, UDP, IP. Hub. A hub as a network component. A hub connects multiple devices and sends data to all devices connected to it. It broadcasts data to every device connected to it, whether needed or not. It has no filter and it is less efficient than a switch. The last network component we'll be discussing in this video is LAN cable, local area network cable. A local area network cable is a cable that provides physical connection between devices and network. It is used to connect devices physically to start communication, and it provides fast and reliable connection. It is important to understand this network component if you want to build a career in cybersecurity or networking, because every network you will work with is built on this foundation. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you for staying till the end. Feel free to subscribe, like, drop your comments. Okay? See you in my next video. Bye.